Imagine a world where you wake up feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. You feel lighter, your skin glows, and your mind is sharp. This is the power of juicing. Juicing is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your health and well-being. By extracting the liquid goodness from fruits and vegetables, you unlock a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. Juicing allows you to consume a wider variety of fruits and vegetables than you might normally eat. Think about it. How many carrots would you need to eat to equal the amount in a single glass of carrot juice? Juicing makes it easier to absorb these nutrients, giving your digestive system a break and allowing your body to focus on healing and repair. It's like hitting the reset button on your health, giving you a boost of energy and vitality. But the benefits of juicing go beyond just physical health. Juicing can also have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. When you nourish your body with nutrient-rich juices, you're also nourishing your mind. You'll find yourself feeling more focused, alert, and positive. Juicing can even help to reduce stress and improve your mood. It's a holistic approach to health that addresses your physical, mental, and emotional needs. So if you're looking for a way to boost your health, increase your energy, and feel your best, juicing is the perfect solution. It's a simple, delicious, and effective way to flood your body with essential nutrients and unlock your full potential. Get ready to experience the transformative power of juicing. Juicing is surprisingly simple and accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a culinary expert or have a fancy kitchen to get started. All you need is a good juicer, fresh produce, and a little bit of inspiration. The basic principle of juicing is to extract the juice from fruits and vegetables, leaving behind the pulp and fiber. This concentrated liquid is packed with nutrients that are easily absorbed by your body. There are two main types of juicers: centrifugal juicers and masticating juicers. Centrifugal juicers are the most common type and are generally more affordable. They work by using a high-speed spinning blade to shred the produce, then separating the juice from the pulp using centrifugal force. Masticating juicers, on the other hand, use a slow-speed grinding mechanism to crush the produce and extract the juice. Masticating juicers are known for producing a higher yield of juice and preserving more nutrients. They also tend to be quieter than centrifugal juicers. The choice between the two depends on your budget, your juicing needs, and your personal preferences. Once you have your juicer, you're ready to start experimenting with different fruits and vegetables. The key is to choose fresh, ripe produce that is free from blemishes. Wash your produce thoroughly before juicing, and cut it into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. You can juice a single ingredient or combine different fruits and vegetables to create your own unique blends. The possibilities are endless. Juicing offers a plethora of health benefits, making it a fantastic addition to any healthy lifestyle. Let's explore some of the remarkable ways juicing can enhance your well-being. 1. Boosted immune system. Juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for a strong immune system. These nutrients help your body fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and protect against chronic diseases. 2. Increased energy levels. Juicing provides your body with a readily available source of energy from natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. This can help combat fatigue, improve mental clarity, and boost your overall vitality. 3. Improved digestion. Juices are easier to digest than whole fruits and vegetables because the fiber has been removed. This gives your digestive system a break and allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. 4. Weight management. Juicing can be a valuable tool for weight management. By incorporating low-calorie, nutrient-rich juices into your diet, you can reduce your calorie intake while still providing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. 5. Glowing skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in juices contribute to healthy, radiant skin. They protect your skin from damage, promote collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. Ready to embark on your juicing adventure? Here are some simple and delicious juice recipes that are perfect for beginners. 1. Green goodness. This refreshing juice combines the detoxifying power of spinach with the sweetness of apple and the tanginess of lemon. 1 cup spinach, 1 apple cored and chopped, half a lemon peeled. 2. Tropical delight. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this vibrant juice featuring mango, pineapple, and ginger. 1 cup mango, peeled and chopped, half a cup pineapple, cored and chopped, half-inch piece of ginger peeled. 3. Berry refresher. This antioxidant-rich juice blends the sweetness of strawberries and raspberries with the earthy flavor of beetroot. 1 cup strawberries, hulled, half a cup raspberries, 1 small beetroot peeled and chopped. Section 5. Choosing your weapon, the right juicer for you. Selecting the right juicer is crucial for a successful and enjoyable juicing experience. With various types available, it's essential to consider your needs and preferences. Here's a guide to help you choose the perfect juicer for your kitchen. First up, centrifugal juicers. These are the most common and affordable type of juicer. They work by using a high-speed spinning blade to shred produce and separate juice from pulp using centrifugal force. Centrifugal juicers are great for beginners and those who prioritize speed and convenience. Next, we have masticating juicers. These juicers utilize a slow-speed grinding mechanism to crush produce and extract juice, resulting in a higher juice yield and preserving more nutrients. Masticating juicers are ideal for leafy greens and wheatgrass, producing a smoother, less pulpy juice. Then, triturating juicers, also known as twin-gear juicers. These powerful machines employ 2 gears to crush and squeeze produce, extracting the maximum amount of juice. Triturating juicers are excellent for hard fruits and vegetables and are known for their durability and efficiency. Lastly, citrus juicers. As the name suggests, these juicers are specifically designed for extracting juice from citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. They are simple to use and produce a high yield of juice with minimal effort. Section 6. Green goodness, spinach, apple, and lemon juice. This vibrant green juice is packed with nutrients and offers a refreshing and invigorating start to your day. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Apples provide natural sweetness and fiber, while lemon adds a tangy twist and boosts vitamin C content. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 apple, cored and chopped, and half a lemon, peeled. Instructions. First, wash the spinach, apple, and lemon thoroughly. Then, chop the apple into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. Juice the spinach, apple, and lemon, alternating ingredients for optimal juice extraction. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips. For a sweeter juice, use a sweeter apple variety like Fuji or Gala. Add a small piece of ginger for a spicy kick. Adjust the amount of lemon to your liking. Section 7. Tropical delight, mango, pineapple, and ginger juice. Escape to a tropical paradise with this exotic juice blend. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, while pineapple is known for its digestive enzyme bromelain. Ginger adds a spicy kick and aids digestion. Ingredients: 1 cup mango, peeled and chopped, half a cup pineapple, cored and chopped, and a half-inch piece of ginger, peeled. Instructions. Wash the mango, pineapple, and ginger thoroughly. Chop the mango and pineapple into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. Juice the mango, pineapple, and ginger, alternating ingredients for optimal juice extraction. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips. Use frozen mango and pineapple for a thicker, slushy-like consistency. Add a pinch of turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Adjust the amount of ginger to your liking. Section 8. Berry refresher, strawberry, raspberry, and beetroot juice. This vibrant juice is bursting with antioxidants and flavor. Strawberries and raspberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, while beetroot is known for its nitrates, which can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 cup strawberries hulled, half a cup raspberries, 1 small beetroot peeled and chopped. Instructions. First, wash the strawberries, raspberries, and beetroot thoroughly. Then, chop the beetroot into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. Next, juice the strawberries, raspberries, and beetroot, alternating ingredients for optimal juice extraction. Finally, pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips. Use frozen berries for a thicker, slushy-like consistency. Add a squeeze of lime juice for a tangy twist. Adjust the amount of beetroot to your liking. Section 9. Citrus burst orange, grapefruit, and carrot juice. This invigorating juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants. Oranges and grapefruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, while carrots provide beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Ingredients: 2 oranges, peeled, 1 grapefruit, peeled, 2 carrots, peeled and chopped. Instructions: first, wash the oranges, grapefruit, and carrots thoroughly. Then chop the carrots into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. Next, juice the oranges, grapefruit, and carrots, alternating ingredients for optimal juice extraction. Finally, pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips: use a citrus juicer for optimal juice extraction from the oranges and grapefruit. Add a small piece of ginger for a spicy kick. Adjust the amount of grapefruit to your liking. Section 10. Root power, carrot, beetroot, and celery juice. This earthy juice is packed with nutrients and offers a range of health benefits. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, beetroot is known for its nitrates, and celery provides antioxidants and electrolytes. Ingredients: 2 carrots peeled and chopped, 1 beetroot peeled and chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped. Instructions: first, wash the carrots, beetroot, and celery thoroughly. Then, chop the carrots, beetroot, and celery into pieces that will fit easily into your juicer's feed chute. Next, juice the carrots, beetroot, and celery, alternating ingredients for optimal juice extraction. Finally, pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips: add a small piece of ginger for a spicy kick. Adjust the amount of beetroot to your liking. Drink this juice immediately after juicing to prevent oxidation. Section 11. Embrace your juicing journey. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Juicing is a journey, not a destination. Experiment with different fruits and vegetables. Create your own unique blends and discover the flavors that you love. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to juice. Listen to your body, pay attention to how different juices make you feel, and adjust your recipes accordingly. Juicing is a fantastic way to boost your nutrient intake, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall health. It's a simple and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. So, grab your juicer, stock